How to remove Instagram ads in 2026 updates. Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you the correct way to remove annoying Instagram ads in the 2026 update. First, scroll through your Instagram feed. You'll notice some posts marked as sponsored. To hide these, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the post. Here, you can select Why am I seeing this ad or update ad preferences. Under Manage Info, tap Categories. You'll see categories associated with your account. Simply remove all of them if you want. Next, go to Activity Info from Ad Partners, tap Review Settings, and make sure Show Me Ads that are more relevant by using this info is turned off if you don't want irrelevant ads. For ads from Ad Partners, select Don't Show Me Ads from Ad Partners. For ads about Meta, select Don't Use My Activity. After that, go to Customize Ads. Here, you can see a list of ad categories or profiles. Hide ads from specific profiles or sectors you don't want to see. Finally, for any sponsored posts still showing in your feed, tap the three dots, select Not Interested, and choose why you're not interested. Repeat this a couple of times, and Instagram will stop showing irrelevant ads. And that's it. Super easy, right? Follow these steps, and your feed will be cleaner and less annoying.